Okay, students, today I am going to start another chapter of his task, that is Tiger King. Okay, Tiger King, page number 8. Tiger King, page number 8. Throughout the entire story, the author Kalki shows us the cruel attitude of powerful people towards the wild and innocent animal. Cruel attitude of powerful people towards the wild and innocent animal. When actually the entire story is that when the Tiger King was born, an astrologer predicted that he would die at the hands of a tiger. When the Tiger King or the king was born, then the astrologer predicted that he would die. His death would come from a tiger. And when at the age of 20, when he took the charge of the kingdom, or when he became king, he set out on a tiger hunt. And accordingly he killed 99 tigers. And only one more tiger is left to complete his tally. And that is when he got married, then in order to celebrate the third birthday of his son, he bought a wooden toy tiger. And when he was playing with the tiny toy tiger, wooden tiger, one of the slivers somehow pierced in his right hand. One of the slivers, বিলাক যেতিয়া ইনএক্সপিৰিয়েঞ্চ মানুহে বনাই তেতিয়াহ'লে বিলাক যে ওলাই থাকে, স্মুথ নহয়, উডেন হয়, কাঠৰ হয়, যেতিয়া ভালকৈ ওলাই থকা নাই হেৰিটো, ভালকৈ নিমজ হোৱা নাই, মিহি হোৱা নাই বনোৱাটো, গতিকে খহটা হৈছে. চ' ওৱান অফ দ্য স্লিভাৰ্ছ পিয়াৰ্ছড ইন হিজ ৰাইট হেণ্ড এণ্ড দ্য ইনফেকশ্যন flared his entire hand, and in this way he died. Okay, that is the main theme of the story. Okay, and also I have to say that Kalki begins the story with a humorous note that the Tiger King, whom he was going to introduce to the readers or introduce to us, is already dead. Jijon Rajar সম্পৰ্কে আমাক ক'বলৈ গৈ আছে, সেই ৰজাজন already মৰিলে. Begins the story with a humorous note. হাঁহি উঠা কথাৰে আৰম্ভ কৰিছে যে when he begins the story with a humorous note that Tiger King, whom he was going to introduce to us, is already dead. Okay, now let's see the story. The Maharaja of Pratibandhapuram is the hero of this story. He may be identified as His Highness Zamindar General Khiladar Major Sata Vyagra Samhari Maharaja Dhiraj Vishwa Bhavana Samrat Jilani Jangjang Bahadur MADACTC. These are his name, MADACTC or CRCK. But this name is often shortened to the Tiger King. I have come across to tell you why he came to be known as the Tiger King. The author is Kalki, Kalki. I have come forward. That means I am coming forward. I have come forward to tell you why he came to be known as Tiger King. I have no intention of pretending to advance, only to end in a strategic withdrawal. I have come forward to tell you why he came to be known as Tiger King. I have no intention of pretending. মই ভাও ধৰাৰ কোনো ইচ্ছা নাছিল. I have no intention of pretending to advance, only to end in a strategic withdrawal. Strategic means forming the part of a plan. কৌশল, business strategy বুলি যে কয়, ব্যৱসায়িক কৌশল. Strategic, forming the part of a plan. Strategic withdrawal. I have no intention of pretending to move, only to end in the form of a plan. ওপৰতে কিবা এটা ভাবি মই শেষ কৰি আগবাঢ়ি যাবৰ কাৰণে বিচৰা নাছিলোঁ. Even the threat of a Stuka bomber will not throw me off. That means I am quite determined to tell you why he came to be known as Tiger. পিছৰ লাইনটো the Stuka bomb. Even the threat of a Stuka bomber will not throw me will not throw me off the track, will not throw me off the track. That means throw off, that means will not deter, will not dissuade, will not deter, will not deter, will not dissuade me. Even the Stuka bomber mane Japanese military aircraft, even the Japanese military aircraft cannot deter me in informing you why I come forward to tell you that he known as the Tiger King. তেওঁ Tiger King হিচাপে কিয় জনা গৈছে হেতু কথা মই আৰম্ভণি অৱস্থাতে কম. Even the threat means ভাবুকি, even the threat of Stuka bomber, even the threat of Japanese military aircraft, Stuka bomber. Yes, Stuka bomber cannot dissuade me, cannot deter me. Here আগৰ লাইনটো so I have no intention of pretending to move only to end in a strategic withdrawal. Strategic means forming the part of a plan. I have no intention to move. মোৰ কোনো ইচ্ছা নাই আগবাঢ়িবলৈ এটা কৌশল হিচাপে গোটেই ষ্টৰিটো শেষ কৰি দিয়াৰ মোৰ কোনো ইচ্ছা নাই. I have no intention to move just to end in a strategic withdrawal, just to end in a strategic withdrawal means forming the part of a plan. এটা প্ল্যান তৈয়াৰ কৰি ইনে ওপৰতে শেষ কৰি দিয়াৰ মোৰ কোনো ইচ্ছা নাই. মই কমেই কিয় কোৱা হয় ইয়াক টাইগাৰ কিং বুলি. এণ্ড ইভেন দ্য থ্ৰেট অফ দ্য Stuka bomber cannot deter me, cannot dissuade me. The Stuka, if it likes, can beat a hasty retreat from the story. The Stuka, if it likes, the Japanese military aircraft, if it likes, can beat a hasty retreat. Retreat means retreat, পুনৰ আৰম্ভ কৰা, repeat a hasty মানে quick repeat from my story. The Stuka, if it likes, can beat a quick repeat from my story. Stuka টোৱে যদি বিচাৰে, Japanese military aircraft খনে যদি বিচাৰে, can defeat, can move, can beat, পৰাজয় কৰাব পাৰে a hasty retreat of my from my story. The Stuka, if it likes or if it needs, can create a hasty repeat. Hasty means quick repeat from my story. মোৰ ষ্টৰিটোৰ পৰা খুব খৰকৈ কোৱাব পাৰে, ষ্টৰিটো খুব স্পীডত কোৱাব পাৰে. Right at the start, it is imperative to disclose. It is imperative to disclose a matter of vital importance about the Tiger King. Right now, he is going to tell us why he is called a Tiger King. Right at the start means at the very beginning. At the very beginning, it is imperative. It is imperative means it is very important to disclose, to reveal a matter of vital importance about the Tiger King. Right in the beginning, it is very important to reveal a matter of vital importance about the Tiger King. You have to know regarding the Tiger King, and it is a very important chapter, important point. Everyone who reads of him will experience the natural desire to meet a man of his indomitable courage face to face. Everyone who reads of him will experience, anyone who has gone through or who goes through the story, then he will have the mindset to meet him physically, because he was a man of indomitable courage. Anyone who reads the story, যিবিলাকে এই ষ্টৰিটো পঢ়িছে, টাইগাৰ কিঙৰ এই ষ্টৰিটো পঢ়িছে, সেই মানুহজনৰে বা সেই মানুহগৰাকীৰে মন যাব, সেই ৰিডাৰজৰে পঢ়োতাজনে মন যাব এনেকুৱা এজন সাহসী মানুহ, ইনডমিটেবল মানে too much, indomitable, which cannot be who cannot be dominated. যাক ডমিনেট কৰি ৰাখিব পৰা নাযায়, সাহস দবাই ৰাখিব পৰা নাযায়. ইনডমিটেবল কাৰেজ, ফেচ টু ফেচ, মুখামুখিকৈ তেনেকুৱা এজন মানুহ লগ পৰা এটা সাহস আহিব যদি এই ষ্টৰিটো কোনোবাই পঢ়িছে. But there is no chance of its fulfillment. But he has no chance of its fulfillment. He has no chance of his fulfillment. Fulfillment মানে completion. But there is no chance of its fulfillment. সম্পূৰ্ণ হোৱাৰ কোনো আশা নাই. Completion. Already I have told you that the author Kalki begins the story with a humorous note that the Tiger King whom he is going to introduce to us is already dead. Already is the Tiger King যাক আমাক জনাব বিচাৰিছে সেইজন already মৰিলে, ঢুকালে. As Bharata said to Rama about Dasharatha, the Tiger King has reached that final abode of all living creature. The Tiger King has reached that final abode. Final abode. Abode means house. Final house of all living creatures. That means the Tiger King has reached that final house of all living creatures. সকলো living creature ওপৰত যিখন ঘৰ থাকে সেই ঘৰখন অলৰেডি তেওঁ পালেগৈ. In other words, the Tiger King is dead. That is why I have said to you that the author begins the story with a humorous note telling that the Tiger King is already dead. The manner of his death is a matter of extraordinary interest. The manner of his death is a matter of extraordinary interest. The manner in which way he died is a very much interesting point. কেনেকৈ তেওঁ ঢুকাইছে হেটো এটা বৰ ইন্টাৰেষ্টিং পইণ্ট আছিল. It can be revealed only at the end of the tale. Yes, we'll come to know how he died towards the end of the story. ষ্টৰিটোৰ শেষৰ ফালেহে আমি গম পাম যে তেওঁ কেনেকৈ ঢুকাইছে. The most fantastic aspect of his demise was that as soon as he was born, astrologers had foretold that one day the Tiger King would actually have to die. The most fantastic point, the most interesting aspect of his demise means end, death, demise, mrityu, dhukua ba hek point, demise was that as soon as he was born. The most interesting point is that when the king was born, astrologer had foretold or predicted that he would one day Tiger King would actually have to die. Jetia heriye rajajon janmo hoise ৰাজকুমাৰ হিচাপে যেতিয়া জন্ম হৈছে তেতিয়া এটা ইন্টাৰেষ্টিং পইণ্ট যে এজন এষ্ট্ৰলজাৰে প্ৰেডিক্ট কৰিলে কি বুলি যে মানুহজন এদিন ঢুকাব. আৰু জন্ম হোৱা মানুহজনটো ঢুকাবই, সেইটো কোনো এটা প্ৰেডিকশ্যন নহয়. জন্ম হ'লে ঢুকাবই. মানুহ জন্ম হোৱাৰ আগত যদি কয় যে তোমাৰ ল'ৰা এটা হ'ব নহ'লে ছোৱালীজনী হ'ব, আৰু যদি নহয় একোৱে নহয়, তেতিয়াহ'লে ল'ৰা এটা হ'ব. আৰু ল'ৰা নহ'লে ছোৱালীটো হ'বই. মানুহে জন্ম দিয়ে, মানুহ জন্ম দিয়ে, গৰু ছাগলী জন্ম নিদিয়ে. দিছ ইজ নট দ্য প্ৰেডিকশ্যন একচুৱেলি. At the time of his birth, when the king was born, then the astrologer predicted that one day he would have to die. It is a natural thing that man will have to die one day. Amiyo edin morim. Aru hetu it is not a kind of prediction. Actually eta kono prediction nohoy je manu moriba. Aru ami hokolo bilake morim. Kuneno amrit khai ahise je gotei jindagi jiai thakibo boli. So it is not a kind of prediction. The child will grow up to become the warrior of the warriors. So inverted comma likha hoise ekhini. The child will grow up to become the warrior of the warriors, hero of the heroes, champion of the champions. But suddenly he stopped. Eneko hobo teneko hobo kintu eneke kobla roi joa. But they bit their lips. They means the astrologers bit their lips. Ekta utkhon kamore kintu eneke roi joa. They bit their lips and swallowed hard. Mane swallowed hard have dhuka enake ba kintu enake kobla akman have dhuka nisna je kore hetu swallowed hard. So, when compelled to continue, when they were compelled, astrologers they ejon nohoy keba jono. When compelled to continue, when forced to continue, compel mane force kora, baidhyo kora, when forced to continue, the astrologers came out with it. Astrologers started saying, that means this is a secret which should not be revealed at all. It is the matter of secrecy and I cannot reveal anytime. And yet we are forced to speak out, and still you are forced to speak. Still we are forced to speak. Aru etia amak kobole baidhyo korwa hoise. The child born under this star will one day have to meet his death. Etu grohor under janmo hoise, kitiba manhor janmo dukh thake nohoy, enekwa grohot janmo hoise, tenekwa grohor under janmo hoise, eneka janmo dukh kisuman je thake bisot khondai hetu beleg hoy. The child born under this star will one day have to meet its death. Again the astrologer repeated the same fact that the child was born under this star and one day he will have to die. At that very moment a great miracle took place. At that very moment a great miracle took place. Miracle mane asoy dhonor ghotona, nobhoba nisinta ghotona. Jetia miracle je amoi kaamto bhabisilu 1 ঘণ্টাৰ ভিতৰত হ'ব বুলি, কিন্তু miraculously কামটো দেখোন 10 মিনিটত হৈ গ'ল. Miracle jetia hanghat wonderful event, hanghatik dhonor ghotna jetia ghote. At this very point a great miracle took place. An astonishing phrase emerged from the lips of the 10-day-old Jilani Zangjang Bahadur. An astonishing means surprising phrase, surprising words, surprising sentences. Emerged, came out from the lips of the 10-day-old Jilani Zangjang Bahadur. 10 day, matra 10 dinia Jilani Zangjang Bahadur. At that time he was a prince. Rajkumar asel horu lora pisothe raja hobogoi. He জন্ম হোৱা মাত্ৰ 10 দিন হৈছে 10-day-old Jilani Zangjang Bahadur and said, "Oh wise prophets মানে proclaimer of the will of God." এটা 10 দিনীয়া সৰু কেঁচুৱাই যদি কয় যে সেই সময়ত কেঁচুৱাই মাত মাতিব নোৱাৰা অনবৰতে শুইহে থাকে, "Oh wise prophets, oh জ্ঞানী পুৰুষসকল", মানে proclaimer of the will of God. prophets মানে proclaimer, এইটো পাইছা prophets wordটো ফাৰ্ষ্ট ইয়াৰ পটেটো বেলাইডিত পাইছিলা। Oh wise prophets means proclaimer of the will of God. Everyone stood transfixed in stupefaction. They looked wildly at each other and blinked. Everyone stood transfixed মানে fascinated, ভয় খোৱা, আচৰিত হোৱা। Everyone stood transfixed in stupefaction. Stupefaction মানে confusion. Everyone stood transfixed in stupefaction. Everyone who were present there were fascinated in surprise, in confusion. They looked, আচৰিত হৈছে যে 10 দিনীয়া কেঁচুৱাটাই ইমানখিনি কেনেকৈ ক'ব পাৰিলে যে ল'ৰাটো জন্ম হৈছে যিটো গ্ৰহৰ আণ্ডাৰত, গতিকে সি মৰিব এদিন। সেইটো এটা সাধাৰণ কথা যে জন্ম হ'লে মানুহ মৰিব, আৰু তেনেকুৱাতে যে সি ক'লে যে "Oh wise prophets, oh wise, you are the great man, that means you are the great man, you are the wisest man, and you are the proclaimer of God." সিমানখিনি যে কথা ক'ব পাৰিছে, that is why they were surprised, they were fascinated in confusion. Stupefaction মানে confusion. They looked wildly at each other and blinked. ইটোৱে সিটোৰ মুখলৈ এনেকৈ চাইছে। আচৰিত যেতিয়া আমাৰ কিবা এটা হয়, আমাৰ ওচৰত যেতিয়া কোনোবা থাকে, আমি তালৈ এনেকৈ আচৰিত হৈ পেলাই চাওঁ। Wildly and blinked. Blink মানে open and close the eye. আচৰিত হৈ চাই পেলাই এনেকুৱা কৰিছে। Oh wise prophets, it was I who spoke. It was I who spoke. Oh wise prophets, oh জ্ঞানী মানুহখিনি, এইটো ময়ে হয় যি কথাখিনি কৈ আছোঁ তাৰমানে। This time there were no grounds for doubt. This time, and though they were surprised for the first time, but second time there were no grounds for doubt. সন্দেহ কৰিবলগীয়া কোনো ভিত্তি নাই। It was the infant born just 10 days ago who had enunciated the word so clearly. This time there were no grounds for doubt. It was the infant মানে কেঁচুৱা, infant born, it was the baby born just 10 days, baby who was born just 10 days ago, মাত্ৰ 10 দিনৰ আগত জন্ম হৈছে 10 days ago, who had enunciated means pronounce, who had pronounced this word so clearly, ইমান স্পষ্টকৈ ক'ব পাৰিছে। The chief astrologer took off his spectacles and gazed intently at the baby. The chief astrologer took off his spectacles and gazed মানে গেজৰ পাছত সদায় প্ৰিপজিশ্যন এট লাগে, একেঠাই চাই থকা। গেজ ইনফেণ্টলি মানে কেয়াৰফুলি এট দ্য বেবী। সেই সময়ত চশমাখন এনেকৈ খুলি পেলাই বৰ আচৰিত হৈ পেলাই ল'ৰাটোলৈ চাইছে, কেয়াৰফুলি আচৰিত হয় আৰু খুব মানে যত্ন সহকাৰে কেয়াৰফুলি ল'ৰাটোলৈ চাইছে যে ইমানখিনি কথা কেনেকৈ ক'ব পাৰিছে, তেনেকুৱা টাইপত। All those who are born will one day have to die. All those who are born will one day have to die. যেটো মই ক'লোঁ যে পৃথিৱীত যিমানবোৰ মানুহ জন্ম হৈছে চব এটা সময়ত মৰিবই, যিমানে সৰু মানুহ হওক যিমানে ডাঙৰ মানুহ হওক। We don't need your predictions to know that. We don't need your predictions. It is not the prediction. যেটো মই অলৰেডি ক'লোঁ যে এইটো প্ৰেডিকশ্যন নহয় যে জন্ম হৈছে সি মৰিবই, কিন্তু জন্ম হোৱা কেঁচুৱাটোৰ আগত যে ই এদিন নহয় এদিন মৰিব এনেকৈ বুলি যদি কৈ দিয়ে শুনিবলৈ বেয়া হয়, কাৰণ জন্ম হৈছেহে। আৰু তেনেকুৱা যদি তেনেকৈ কৈ দিয়ে যে ইনফেমিলি এতিয়া জন্ম হৈছে, হস্পিটেললৈ গৈছে, মানুহে চোৱা চিতা কৰিছে, চাবলৈ গৈছে, কোনোবাই কাপোৰ কানি লৈ গৈছে, আৰু যদি সেই সময়ত এনেকুৱা এটা ৰিমাৰ্ক দি দিয়ে যে জন্ম হৈছে এদিন কিন্তু মৰিব, এনেকৈ বুলি ক'লে শুনিবলৈ বেয়া হয়, কিন্তু সেইটো সত্য কথা। আৰু সেইটো এটা প্ৰেডিকশ্যন নহয়, ভৱিষ্যতবাণী সেইটো হ'ব নোৱাৰে। এতিয়া তোমালোকে পৰীক্ষা দিবা, হয় পাছ কৰিবা নহয় ফেইল কৰিবা, দেখা শুনা কথা। কিন্তু কোনে যদি কৈ দিয়া যায় নহয় কোনে কিমান পাৰ্চেণ্টেজ পাব, সেইটো যদি আগতীয়াকৈ কৈ দিয়া যায় সেইটোহে এটা প্ৰেডিকশ্যন। কিন্তু বোলে পৰীক্ষা হৈছে হয় পাছ কৰিব নহয় ফেইল কৰিব, সেইটো জনা শুনা কথা, আৰু তাক সেইটো কোৱাটো এটা প্ৰেডিকশ্যন নহয়। কিন্তু কোনোবাই যদি কয় যে নহয় এই 90% পাই পাছ কৰিব, সি বোলে 30%হে পাব, যদি হেতু যদি হয় হেতুহে তেনেকুৱা কথা যদি ওলাই হেতুহে এটা প্ৰেডিকশ্যন বাট ইট ইজ নট এ কাইণ্ড অফ প্ৰেডিকশ্যন all those who are born will one day have to die we don't need your predictions to know that and it is a common thing and it is not a kind of prediction and we don't need your support or help regarding it there would be some sense in it there should be some sense কিছুমান ক্ষেত্ৰ থাকিলতেন এই যে মই তোমালোকক ক'লো যে এতিয়া পৰীক্ষা হৈছে যে পাছ কৰিব নহলে ফেল কৰিব হেটো এটা প্ৰেডিকশ্যন নহয় কিন্তু প্ৰেডিকশ্যন হ'ব হেতুহে যে তুমি 1000 পঢ়া তুমি কিন্তু 80% হে পাবা বা তুমি নপঢ়াকে পৰীক্ষা দিয়া তুমি কিন্তু 90% পাবা এই ধৰণে যদি কৈ দিয়ে then it is a prediction otherwise পাছ কৰা ফেল কৰা হেতুলে প্ৰেডিকশ্যন নহয় আৰু একেখিনি কথা ইয়াত কৈছে যে there would be some sense কিছুমান সেন্স কিছুমান হেৰি থাকিলেহেঁতেন সেন্স থাকিলেহেঁতেন কথাষাৰ তোমাৰ গুৰুত্ব থাকিলেহেঁতেন weight থাকিলেহেঁতেন there should be some weight in it if you could tell us the manner of that date manner কাৰণটো প্ৰকাৰটো যদি আমাক জনাব পাৰিলেহেঁতেন there could be some sense there could be some weight in your sentence that if you can tell us the manner of that date কাৰণটো যদি মৃত্যুৰ কাৰণটো যদি আমাক ক'ব পাৰিলেহেঁতেন The royal infant uttered this royal infant এই সৰু সৰু কথা এই কথাখিনি কৈ আছে কিন্তু infant baby the royal infant uttered these words uttered মানে said কোৱা কথাখিনি কোৱা uttered these words pronounced these words in his little squeaky voice squeaky মানে shrill অকনি কথা হয় সৰু ল'ৰা-ছোৱালী কথাবিলাক কেনেকুৱা তুমি যদি আমাক ক'ব পাৰি তেনেকুৱা নিচিনা নহয় জানো সৰু ল'ৰা-ছোৱালী কথাবিলাক কেনেকুৱা হয় সেই তেনেকুৱা squeaky shrill 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 Okay, I'm going to stop it for this time and the remaining portion will be continued in my next video. Okay, and go through the story